Okay, real quick cooking with Judd here because I'm just checking out these Krusteaz gluten-free honey cornbread. And I simply follow the on-box directions exactly as it says, so nothing to report. There, I'm doing it in a glass pan here. There it is in the glass pan. We're about to put it in the oven at 380 because I can only do 70 or 80 even though it wants 75. We're going in for 28 to 32 minutes and we'll see what happens. I pulled it out at 29 minutes and we got a little past golden brown, but that's okay. I like things well done. By the way, I did add 2 teaspoons of sugar to this, and I'm going to top it with cinnamon, sugar and cinnamon. So we're going to let that cool down for a while before we can touch it. Okay, I sprinkled the top with cinnamon and sugar, and it cut very easily, showed a good texture. And now I'm going to lift the piece out, see what we got here. Okay, that looks very good. Hope you can see that texture there. A little bland. Definitely needs butter, which I can't really have. Okay, so. Edible, nothing throwing. I did have the idea at one point of throwing some corn, niblet corn in there, and that might have helped. I think I'll try that next time because I got another box of this. But there you go. Okay, we're back. I've sliced this in half, buttered it, and added some cinnamon on it, and we'll see how this is now. That definitely helps, but it is pretty blah stuff, so there you go. I mean, in the world of gluten-free, it's fine, but it is gluten-free. Maybe more sugar too, maybe double with the sugar I added. Yeah. Okay, there you go. Happy day to you.